Hello everyone, once again welcome to the Dubai's World channel. Today I am here with a new topic, that's hepatitis. Actually, hepatitis it denotes inflammation of a liver. And it's mostly caused by alcohol, drug, metabolic disorder, and autoimmune disease. Actually, the hepatitis classified into two on the basis of from where which organism is going to or which substance is going or which things are going to cause hepatitis. So it's basically two types, classified into two types. First is viral hepatitis, means it's caused by virus hepatitis, and other is non-viral hepatitis, means here the virus is not going to involve to cause a hepatitis. So now we will see the viral hepatitis. Viral hepatitis is classified into two on the basis of transmission routes, means how it's going to be transmitted. So viral, this is the first, this is the second, and we'll see the third point. Viral hepatitis classified into two on the basis of transmission route, So first one is fecal oral route, and second one is parenteral route. This here by the fecal oral route only, this hepatitis A virus and hepatitis E virus, hepatitis E and hepatitis A is going to cause. And after that, before we'll see the viral hepatitis. What are the viral hepatitis? Mostly it's seven types. So first one is HA, means hepatitis A. Second is HB. Third is HC. Fourth is HD. Fifth is HE, and sixth one is HF, and seventh one is HG. So this HB is having a DNA genome. Otherwise, means all hepatitis make one point that all the hepatitis are RNA virus except HBV because it consists DNA virus. So now we'll see this HA, HC, HD, HE and F and G. The HF is nothing but it's not separate entity, but it's a mutant of a B virus. So mutant of B virus. Now we'll see the non-viral hepatitis. In non-viral hepatitis, what we will see, the first is toxic or a drug. It will also cause this one, toxic or drug. And second is alcoholic. Third is autoimmune disease. And fourth is metabolic disorder. So we saw this hepatitis classified into the viral hepatitis, non-viral hepatitis. The viral hepatitis classified into the 7 types, that is the HA, HB, HC, HT, HE, HF and HG. And non-viral hepatitis classified in a toxic 4 types, toxic or drug, alcoholic, autoimmune and the metabolic disorder can cause this non-viral hepatitis. Now this viral hepatitis classified into 2 on the basis of a transmission route. So this is a fecal oral route and parenteral route. So this HAV and HE are going to transmitted and going to infect another person by fecal oral route. Now HB, HC, HD, HF, HG is going to transmitted by a parenteral route. We saw there is a 3 classification. Now we'll see there's two phases of viral hepatitis. It's actually hepatitis this have a 2 phase. First is acute, second is chronic. In acute, it's a self-limited or a liver injury will be there. Self-limited liver injury and of less than 6 months. Well, in this chronic hepatitis, hepatic inflammation will be there for more than 6 months. Now we'll see the hepatitis A. What is hepatitis A? Hepatitis, actually it is an acute infectious disease which is caused by hepatitis A virus. Hepatitis A virus. It was discovered in 1973. And I was already discussed that it was transmitted by fecal oral route. So we can write one more point about this, and how it's transmitted. So the as a person will consume any contaminated food or water or shellfish, that may cause this hepatitis A. Now this hepatitis A virus is nothing but a picornavirus. Hepatitis A virus is a picornavirus virus. Basically, this picornavirus is non-enveloped, contain single strength RNA, means ssRNA, and it's a packaged in a protein cell. As I said, that contain single stranded RNA with a positive sense. Only one serotype of this virus is known, means it's have only one serotype, which is still now is known. So this virus is resistant to inactivation by heat at a 60 degrees Celsius, and 60 degrees Celsius for 1 hour, and the acid pH at 3. So and this is also shows resistant to detergent and solvents and the drying, etc. It is inactivated by boiling for 1 minute and 1:4,000 formaldehyde at a 30 degrees Celsius for 72 hours. But this HAV can survive. HAV survives prolonged storage at. But if hepatitis A virus is survive prolonged, if HIV is survive when prolonged storage at a temperature of 4 degrees Celsius or below. So this hepatitis A virus is so resistant to the inactivation by heat at a 60 degrees Celsius. If 60 degrees Celsius is given for 1 hour, and also at acid pH 3, and it's also resistant to detergent, solvent and drying, where it is inactivated by boiling for 1 minute or giving 1:4,000 formaldehyde at a 30 degrees Celsius for 72 hours. But it is survive prolong if someone will prolong the store at not someone, but if it is prolonged storage at a temperature of 4 degrees Celsius or below, and it can survive for a month in a fresh and a salt water also. So it can survive for a month in a fresh and the salt water. Now we'll see the cultural characteristics of a hepatitis A virus. Actually, it can be grown in some human and the simian cell culture, and is only human hepatitis virus which is cultivated in vitro conditions. Means only we can culture it in vitro condition. So is the only human hepatitis virus which can be cultivated in vitro, and it can also be in vitro, and it has also been cloned by in vitro process only.